Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Tradervue. Start by opening your browser and going to the Tradervue app. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the dashboard. Think of this as your home base. It summarizes recent performance, quick stats, and shortcuts to common areas. If your data looks empty on a new account, that's normal. You'll populate it once you import or add trades. Next, visit the calendar. This view lays out your trading activity by day, so you can spot patterns over weeks and months. Click any date to drill into the trades from that session. Use filters like symbols or tags to narrow what you're seeing and keep reviews focused. Open the trades section to see a detailed ledger of every trade. Sort by date, symbol, or P&L, and click a trade to expand executions, notes, and attachments. This is a great place to verify fills and ensure your records match your broker statements. Head over to Reports to analyze performance. Explore overview metrics, equity curves, distribution charts, and win rates. Adjust date ranges and apply tags to compare specific strategies or market conditions. Small changes to filters can reveal which setups are truly working. Move into the journal to capture insights. Add written reflections, screenshots, and lessons learned right alongside your trades. Consistent journaling turns raw results into a playbook you can refine over time. Use New Trade when you need to enter a trade manually. Provide the symbol, side, position size, prices, times, and any fees. Add tags and notes so it appears correctly in reports in the journal. Save as you go, especially if you're documenting multiple legs. Visit Community to learn from shared trades and ideas posted by other traders. Study annotated charts and read the reasoning behind entries and exits. Apply discretion and align anything you learn with your own plan. Leverage search to quickly find symbols, tags, or phrases across trades and journal entries. Combine terms or use exact phrases to surface just what you need during reviews. Finally, use import trades to bring in executions from your broker or platform. Choose the correct source, upload the file, confirm settings like time zone and symbol formats, preview the results, and complete the import. Afterwards, spot check a few trades in the trades list to ensure everything mapped correctly. That's the workflow. Dashboard, calendar, data spotted into trades, reports, journal, new trade, community, search, and import trades. With these areas, Tradervue becomes your central hub for tracking, analyzing, and improving your trading.